Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful story for you about a farmer named Hanif, his wife Zainab, and their beloved parrot. Now, in a village, there was a big farmer named Hanif. His farm barn was so big that the farm was just as much as the farm. But Hanif loved his parrot most. As soon as he got up in the morning, he talked to the parrot, put the grain, and hummed himself. The parrot did not stay behind, nothing would speak. Hanif's wife, Zainab, was too fond of the parrot, feeding the parrot with her hand and saying, "This is like our child." But the story doesn't end there. There was also a duck in their house. Don't ask such a sensible duck. When Hanif went to the fields, the duck would start quacking, and the parrot would start squawking, thinking that Hanif was coming back. And that's the end of our story. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.